with me. Roll and bake, it's fun today. Yummy pizza on the way. Flour ready on the board. Little chef can't wait no more. Roll the dough both left and right. Make it round and soft and light. Round and round the roller goes. Watch the pizza base now grow. Big and fluffy, nice and wide. Little chef feels full of pride. Spread the sauce in circles slow. Red tomato flavors flow. Swirl it gently, edge to edge. Perfect pizza, little pledge. Capsicum and corn go down. Colorful veggies all around. Onions, olives join the fun. Healthy cooking has begun. Sprinkle cheese from high above. Cover pizza full of love. Snowy cheese falls soft and bright, making everything just right. Open oven carefully. Slide the pizza patiently. Close the door and wait a while. Cooking time will make us smile. Tick-tock goes the timer sound. Yummy smells are all around. Inside oven magic grows. Golden melted cheese now shows. Open oven, what a sight. Pizza glowing warm and bright. Steam is dancing in the air. Tasty smell is everywhere. Cut the pizza 1, 2, 3. Share a slice with family. Healthy veggies make us strong. Clap your hands and sing along. Pizza time is done.